Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rose, and for those who are not yet subscribed of my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button below for your to notify if I have a new videos, and then please like and share. And I want to share you guys my gift, or the baby gift from my friend Lysandra, and it's very cute, guys. And then I love this. I want to show you guys. Honey, hi. We've been in the work, guys, so he's surprised for the gift of my friend. Let's watch it.
Thank you, my dear friend Lysandra, for your gift. Hi guys, this is the gift of my friend Lysandra. It's so cute. We'll see what inside. Oh, it's very cute. See? Wow. Oh, it's cute. Oh, that's nice. She's nice. Sweet baby. Baby is very lucky because we have a friend so loving and generous. Wow, been inside for 9 months. It's very cute. Wow, it's nice one. It's very cute. Thanks, my dear friend Lysandra. Wow, so cute. Oh, my baby will be happy. Oh, she gave this also. Wow. It's cute. I have no worries about clothes for my baby. It's nice. Oh, it's cute. Wow. The back is very cute. Nice. Oh, love it.
Thank you guys for watching my videos, and have a blessed day, and please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.